It's changed my life. My name is Tahira. I was quite skeptical at first as to whether the Thrive program would actually work for me. The reason was that I wasn't actually doing it for weight loss. I could see that my health was generally on a decline. I used to wake up tired, yawning throughout the day, and ready to sleep again by 9 p.m. I never once counted any calories. It's not a diet. It's about changing your lifestyle. I didn't give up any cultural foods. I didn't step onto a treadmill. Everything was done remotely from the comfort of my own home. The Thrive staff were always there whenever I needed guidance, whenever I needed advice. I was actually very surprised at how available they were. And waking up fresher in the morning, I'm much stronger physically than I was before. I've noticed big changes in digestion. The team are so supportive. If you have time constraints like me, if you're a busy working mum, don't think twice, just go for it. I feel much more confident in myself and I really look forward to continuing my health journey.